All right, so this is my first time at Berm Park for the Chestnut Mountain, probably 3 years. So right when it was brand new, not used to all the new trails they opened up. Really interested to see how they are. And been a little shady on the climbing. I don't get to ride too much more nowadays. It's my first downhill place since Beach Mountain, so we'll see how I'm feeling. I'm filming. Really interested to see this trail. Don't know it too well, so already warmed up pretty well down at the park. Okay. Pretty steep start. I need to switch gears. Yeah, I don't remember this at all. Maybe I did Ladybird last time or something. Not really too comfortable on the jumps today, especially kind of slick today. Oh, speaking of slick, great view though, say that. Get little rocks up here too. Oh, this is about to be steep. I feel it. More berms, let's go. Riding just a little slow today. Okay, nice. Big loose rocks right there. Trail markers say there's about 1.1 miles, so nice long descent. We'll see how it really feels. A little pump. There we go, now I'm up to speed. Oh, that feels good. Nice, nice long flat berm. That feels so good. Some loose rock again. Bad line right there. And there's some steep moments for this to be a blue. Oh, hoo, hoo. Okay, nice. Oh, that was fun. Oh, we're almost back down. Woo. Not really a lot of jumps, but on the trail. All right, dropping down bear country. Trail to get down to the bottom. And I wasn't recording half of it, so that sucks, but it is what it is. Nice. Oh, I could have done that. And straight down. Whew. Crazy skid. Oh, yeah, I don't have suspension for that.